Michelle Moore, Soundbites Grill. Soundbites Grill got involved with the parade so we can be a part of the community, show the community what Soundbites does. It's St. Patrick's Day, it's a big event in the community. We wanted to liven it up. We are a rock and roll establishment.
I'm Stephen Sullins from Soundbites Grill. Well, the reason Soundbites Grill got involved with the St. Patrick's Day Parade, we love the downtown community area and the Uptown Sedona program. We love to support the community. It's not only that, but it's a heck of a lot of fun just to be out there driving down and see all the excited people.
Awesome. We had a blast. We had the band out there. We had Jimmy Mack and Sir Harrison tearing it up.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.